Why use autoresponders on social media?
The customers are automated replies that instantly respond to messages on your social media accounts. They help maintain communication with followers, set expectations for response times, and ensure no message goes unanswered. Using autoresponders saves valuable time, streamlines customer support, and leaves a professional impression, especially for small businesses or busy content creators.
Getting started. Choosing the right platform.
Most major social media platforms, like Instagram and Facebook, offer built-in tools for setting up autoresponders. Look for features like Facebook Page Inbox or Instagram Business Account Messaging. These tools are user-friendly and often free, so you don't need any special technical skills or third-party apps to get started.
Setting up an autoresponder on Facebook.
On your Facebook page, go to Settings and look for Messaging Tools. Here, you can create a greeting message to welcome visitors or set up an instant reply for anyone who messages you. Simply write your custom response, save it, and your page will respond instantly to new messages, even when you're not online.
Using autoresponders on Instagram.
For Instagram business accounts, use the Quick Replies feature within direct messages. Set up quick responses to common questions or greetings, streamlining your communication. Though Instagram's options are more limited, you can create and save replies that are just a tap away, making consistent customer engagement much easier.
Tips for effective autoresponder messages.
Keep your autoresponder messages friendly, concise, and informative. Clearly state when someone can expect a personal reply, and provide helpful links or answers to common questions. Always review your message tone to ensure it reflects your brand. Update responses regularly to keep them relevant and avoid sounding robotic or impersonal.